Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add LinkedIn on Facebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, we'll need to head over to LinkedIn and sign into your account. Then, navigating to your profile photo at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage and clicking on View Profile. This action will take you to your LinkedIn profile page. Now here's a key step: copying your LinkedIn username from the URL. Just look at the URL on your browser while you're on your profile page. Go ahead and copy that. With your LinkedIn username copied, it's time to switch gears to Facebook. Navigate to your Facebook profile and look for the About section. Within this section, you'll find Contact and Basic Info. This is where you can add various contact information, including social links. Click on Add a Social Link. A new window will pop up with several fields. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Social Link. Click that drop-down, and a list of social platforms will appear. Scroll through until you find LinkedIn and select it. After selecting LinkedIn, a new field will appear where you can paste your LinkedIn username. Paste the username you copied earlier into this field. The final step here is simply clicking Save. By doing so, you're confirming the addition of your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook page. Once saved, your LinkedIn will appear in the Contact and Basic Info section of your Facebook profile. And that's it. So that is how you can add LinkedIn on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Thanks.